are just hardly maybe 2,000 or 3,000 feet above the terrain at the moment. And this is the point where you make the decision. If you see that area, the valley over there is blocked by clouds, this is the time you make a right turn and you go back to Islamabad. If this area is cloudy and it's filled with clouds, then you're unable to see the mountains. So this is a very critical point. Zulu Bend is like a Z, and those we have basically 4 tight turns. We're coming this way, so we make this turn right like this, and then left, and then again over here, and this is where our runway is going to be. So what we do is we keep our speed low, and we try to stay on profile. Basically, we have this landmark up here. We call it the saddle. You know the horse saddle? It's a flat area, and it's like a little white flat area. That is the time where we make a right turn. That is a very tight turn. Welcome to Skardu. The elevation here is 7,316 feet, and we left 1,761 at Islamabad. We have seen Captain Sakir made an excellent landing. It's a very difficult thing on the ATRs. Yeah. And here we are. Temperature is 0 degrees right now outside.
I am really speechless. It's an incredible place. 7,400 feet on sea level. But wow, going through the saddle, the tight turn over the mountains, that's what will get you excited. Thank you very much, Captain.
Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you? Hi.
Welcome to Skardu.
Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye.
You're welcome.
See you next time. Bye-bye. I've been wanting to come here for a very long time. I heard about Skardu from my first trip to Pakistan. It's been 9 years and I am here right now. I'm so excited. The mountain landscape, everything is unreal here. We are walking on the runway on the way to the terminal. This is the new runway.
It's a 6 kilometer.
6 kilometer runway.
Yeah.
That's going to be the longest runway in the world.
Yes, it will become IFR.
IFR runway.
Yeah.
Right now the old runway is VFR.
Yeah, the old one is VFR.
Wow, this is super beautiful. Super beautiful. This is Shangrila. They took me here. It's unreal. The water is so clear. It's like beautiful settings. There's a lot of reason to come back to Skardu.
Orient Skyline operated in early 50s in Skardu.
That's before PIA, right?
That
Orient.
is before
Orient
PIA.
Airways.
And it was crashed.
Crashed here.
Crashed landing in desert. Our people survived. No one.
Oh, really?
Yes,
that is a good
accident.
recovery. Good
And
recovery.
The Shangrila owner bought this plane.
It's in the hotel now, yeah.
And now it's a coffee shop.
I asked them like whether Skardu can be a winter destination, but they told me the problem is electricity shortage. How many hours electricity you have every day?
4 to 5 hours.
Only 4 to 5 hour electricity.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. We just saw the A320 coming in and doing a turn and final approach into Skardu over the mountains banking. It's actually different to the ATR flight I came in. ATR flight came from behind me and it did a very steep descent coming down through the mountain.